Okay, they want an equation of the line. They give us the y-intercept, right? They write it wrong, but they give it there. So b equals -3. They tell us that. And then they give us a point, -9, -9. So y equals mx plus b. We're going to substitute everything we know. We know b, and we know x and y, right? So x and y, they're both -9. That's nice. And m we leave as an unknown. X is -9, and b is -3, right? So we have -9 equals -9m minus 3. We add 3 to both sides, and we get -6 equals -9m. We divide both sides by -9, and we get 6/9, right? 6/9, because negative over negative is positive. 6/9, they're both divisible by 3, so that's 2/3 equals m. So now we know the equation of the line. We have the m, we have the b, we had it at the beginning, so we get y equals 2/3 x plus -3, but we write -3. Y equals 2/3 x minus 3.